Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, on today's video I will be showing you guys how to get pregnant real quick and how to boost your ovulation. Okay, you all know that without ovulation you can't get pregnant, and if you are be finding it very difficult to take in, this particular recipe is for you. Okay, the first thing I did is, this is my glove. As you can see, glove is really good in your body. It's good to boost your ovulation. It's good in your health, a lot of benefit. And I have my cinnamon seed. Cinnamon seed is good as well to boost your ovulation. You can use cinnamon seed in anything, any tea or things you want to do. The first thing I did is taking my cup. Make sure that the cup you are taking has covered. Okay. Then after that, I just take water. I'm going to rinse my glove and my cinnamon. But most people they don't wash. But me, I just rinse it a little bit. You understand? So after washing, you add it to your cup, which you already prepared. Then, after adding it to your cup, take your cinnamon and break it into pieces. Add your cinnamon to your inside your glove as well. You are going to mix everything together, okay? This is my cinnamon. I've already washed it with sponge before, but I just rinse it again so that you people will see. I wash every dirty in it with sponge before, okay? But most people don't wash it, but me, I don't like taking it without rinsing or washing. Yeah, so I just rinse my cinnamon again, then I add it to my cup as well. Then after that, what you are going to do is take a warm water. This is my warm water. Take a warm, not hot, not boiled, warm water. Add it into your cinnamon and your glove, okay? Then after that, look for any spoon or anything at store. Mix it together very well. You are going to leave it to the
next
day,
day.
okay? So welcome back guys. This is the next day. You can see everything is well diluted, everything is well changed, the color is changed and everything. Then strain out the water. Take a cup of it every morning on an empty stomach. After seeing your menstruation for just one, like if you finish seeing your menstruation today, start drinking it tomorrow till your ovulation time. You understand? Take it for 2 weeks or 1 month. If you didn't see result, don't take it again. A lot of people have been testifying of this wonderful tea, and I decided to show you guys, and I decided to show my fans. Bye guys.